बैक रेस्ट शेरन का बहुत ज्यादा महंगा है।
What you expected?
ढोल बाजा
ऐसा
मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो तूने जिंदगी में नहीं की होगी।
और मेरी रील को 6 मिलियन हो गए हैं। कोई नहीं है भाई, नो सत्यम नो छोटू, सब छोड़ के गए तुमको। आर्टिस्ट बहुत नाटकी है। बेचैन आत्माएं आ गए बस के लिए डाइपर।
हर गली में, हर शहर, हर मोहल्ले में सोच ही रहा हूँ मैं।
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. Today is Tuesday and आज का full day has been in the hospital. There was a family thing that I had to go to. So आज पूरा दिन I was not at work. अब भी just आई हूँ मैं sunset के बाद and I've not even slept in the night. So unfortunately my face looks very tired. Camera पे नहीं दिख रहा but it is tired. But we are testing and sampling a new product today and finalizing a new product at Impulse Coffees. So I need that to be done so that in January we can really close on the production of this particular product. That's the timeline that we are trying to meet. So आज already 7 Jan. Can you believe एक हफ्ता चला गया? And Gopali and Janvi are coming today for the first time to the Sara Squad home. They haven't yet visited like Sara Squad home. मैं जानवी से बात कर रही थी उस दिन and she was like it's been a while that we met. Also in general we haven't met at an event also. So I was like इस बार जब मुंबई आ रहे हो आप लोग सीधा घर आ जाओ. So they are coming home tonight. So yeah, I'm very excited to meet them. But I need to get done with work before I meet them. And we have to decide what we have to order for food also. But first we need to decide what goes on our new label. So yes, what will we name? So let's see what similar products look like.
A little later.
Okay, I've changed from my crusty, dusty attire at work into this beautiful dress जो बहुत easy breezy है. It's full length. It's from this brand called Wiso Blue. And I love how frill and flare and just easy going it is क्योंकि घर पे ही बैठ के हम chill करने वाले हैं. And मुझे अभी भी आज का YouTube video डालना है. आज literally मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया like I was telling you all. But they will be here in an hour. And I've called Reet also. He's gone from work to the gym, so I don't know if he's coming. But if he has time, he will probably come for dinner. And I'm waiting for them to come home and then we order food because they are vegetarians, so I just want to see what they prefer eating and आज उनका क्या मन है. I think they're coming from shoot only. They had a very busy day, तो बैठेंगे बहुत गप्पे लड़ाएंगे. I'm very very excited to see them after so long. I've done my Korean skincare routine. Skin मतलब Korean skincare routine की मजेदार हो गई है. I am also putting the Korean skincare routine video today on YouTube, so I'm excited for that too. I'll just accessorize quickly. My ring is here and what else is over here? कुछ नहीं, नॉर्मल ब्रेसलेट पहन लेती हूँ. इजी, घर में ही तो बैठना है. हेलो. Oh my God, I've seen you after so long. Hi. This is the only. When was the last time we met? It's been so long.
I got a fan fest.
How old?
This is to you.
So nice.
You know, oh my
This is the
God.
only dog I'm not scared of.
Hi,
I was
kitties.
telling Fudge कि I was like, you know who's coming, you know who's coming. Then I was like, इतना time हो गया, he's not right here. उसको ये कैसे नाम से भी नहीं आया.
Very, very nice.
I love
Yes.
बहुत प्यारी.
मतलब कैमरे पे इतना वैसा नहीं लगता, रियल लाइफ में और ज्यादा सुंदर
And I
है.
like how you have kept that thing. You can shut down the sink. ये व्यू देख के मैं बोलती थी बम्बई शहर में आके मैंने मेरे सपने पूरे किए. बिल्कुल वो वाला शॉट लग रहा है. So pretty.
हम खाना खा रहे हैं. खाना हमने आज सबका कंफर्ट जोन का खाना हो गया एंड ये भी आ गए हैं. सो यस, फ्रॉम द जिम. This is what?
What is this?
I am also trying to
Some
figure.
sort of
I think this came
garlic
with
rice or
my
something.
food. Yeah, grilled stuffed chicken. This is your pasta. This is
Okay.
spaghetti
Okay.
fungi, which is Gopali's, and Janu has ordered
खिचड़ी.
dal khichdi. इसका तो अलग ही zone रहता है हमेशा. This is why like I was saying कि मैं खाना मंगा लेती हूँ, but I was like नहीं, आप लोग आओ and then
We will order.
because I know you all very well and you all do
Not in your
not.
wildest thought you would have thought कि जानवी आके खिचड़ी बना के खा.
No, I would have thought because I have seen her, you know, in Paris वाले first day पे भी तो कुछ जो अपन order करते थे कुछ और ही order करती थी. हाँ,
I'm very
अलग
picky with my
था.
food.
So I was like it's okay, you all come. Late तो late,
मुझे
बस
focus
बहुत भूखे नहीं आना.
morning.
It's Tuesday, 8th of January. We are officially in the second week of 2025. Time is going too fast. I am not able to process. Yesterday night was so wholesome. Like meeting Janvi and Gopali is always a good time. And itni gappe ladane ko thi ke there were things that vlog could not roll. Like we just had to talk and talk and talk and take so many updates. The last time we met, like Janvi had more life updates. Like हम दोनों ने exchange किया था because we were together at the Alibag Lumi event. So she had more life updates and I had more life updates of her life. But Gopali और मैं last like मिले थे और बात किए थे. Like अच्छे से तो मुझे Saint Regis याद है जब हम मामा अवार्ड्स के बाद मिले थे. But उसके बाद also I think I met them recently somewhere, some event. YouTube event, yeah, we met at YouTube Fan Fest, but तभी इतनी बात नहीं हुई थी because Fan Fest में इतना आवाज़ था, like there is a function going on at the back, so we didn't like talk a lot at Fan Fest. We are all at work today since it's Tuesday और मतलब कल रात को तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. As soon as Janvi told me she's coming to Mumbai, like they had some work and they were coming, I was like let's meet to just catch up. You all have not come home, you all need to come home, let's eat and you know गप्पे लड़ाते. Like I want to collaborate and I want to do collaborative videos, but first I want to catch up, you know. So we were discussing yesterday that we'll definitely like make time for a collab too, but these are those friends in the industry that they are friends, so you want to catch up with them and then we can talk work. But yeah, definitely you can see some collab coming between Janvi and I and Gopali. And Gopali was looking at the kitchen and she was like, "Tu khana bana lena, mujhe bana." Like I want to cook in this kitchen. I was like, "You cook and you teach me," or you do like she wants to do like a cooking challenge in my kitchen. But we were just thinking कि कैसे करेंगे because I can't cook, so maybe she can teach me. I don't know. We are like thinking of ideas now कि अब हम collab में क्या करेंगे. Inshallah that they can come in Feb because उनको of course सूरत में भी काम होता है. That's where their house is and the Mumbai house is just like for them to come when the event happens or something like that. And abhi currently is not event season, so not a lot of events are happening in the beauty industry. It's pretty chill. That's why workflow for me is mostly impulse focused. Right now if I set the tone good for the company, then I have like 2-3 launches which are going to be really big. If I finish the R&D abhi, then I'll be good and sorted, which is why I'm not getting my nails done also because ऐसे beauty shoots ऐसे है नहीं. I'm only doing my organic content and posting my PCOS reels and my beauty reviews on Instagram and on YouTube. So that's where we are at. आज task list काफी लंबी है. Ordering my birthday outfits. So birthday के लिए I always do this video where subscribers shop my birthday outfits. आप लोग मुझे best links भेजते हो हमेशा outfits के लिए and I like ये सारी चीजें मैं खुद से देखूंगी भी नहीं. So you all have sent me some links on Instagram. This video will probably be up by the time I am ordering those outfits. So I have to order my birthday outfits that my subscribers have recommended. I have to shoot 4 reels for Impulse. उसमें से एक हमने already अभी कर लिया है. Operations interviews have to be taken, so 2 people are coming in office for interview. I have to make some accounts transactions, एक video edit करना है, एक video brand के लिए shoot करना है, एक script brand को देनी है और 2-3 WhatsApp messages भेजने हैं. तो we have a long day. Let's get started. I thought I will give the brand a script which is based on my real life incidences, but unfortunately those real life incidences are not on camera. अगली बार हम झगड़ा करेंगे ना, मैं B-roll लेके रखूंगी ताकि मेरे को फ्यूचर में काम.
You will not know.
You will never know. I will know. You won't know. अच्छा ठीक है, तो perfect. तो अगली बार झगड़ा करेंगे तो I will start recording. तो झगड़ा तो खत्म होगा. Somewhere तो I got a code, cheat code. Fight with
No,
me.
I'm not.
Please fight with me.
No, नको.
फाइट में तो पंच नहीं मार रहे.
नहीं, फाइट किया मैंने. अगर उसको ऐसा भी दिखाया ना तो उधर से
The script says कि when I'm PMSing बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ तो झगड़ा होता ही है, तो मुझे उसके लिए विजुअल चाहिए.
तो बॉयफ्रेंड कहीं बॉयफ्रेंड की जगह पप्पा को लेके आ जाओ ना. अंकल के साथ झगड़ा होता है.
पापा के साथ क्या होता है? तुम ही झगड़ते हो हमेशा.
नहीं,
अभी मैंने ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट अप्रूव कराई हो.
नो,
अप्रूव हो गया. देयर इज नो 3-4 सेकंड्स.
मेरे से पूछा गया अप्रूव कराने से पहले.
कंसेंट
मेरे से पूछा गया.
कंसेंट कहीं छूट गया बीच में. चलो ना, चलो ना.
You say कि I want to sit on this chair and you say कि नहीं मैं नहीं उठने वाला because मैं पहले बैठा. हो गया.
what?
See that you're sitting there. It's very easy. I'll take this.
Basically, what I was making. आज रीत का work from home है, so he decided to work from here and he's getting harassed it. Okay, at least vlog have done. मैं समझा रही हूँ उनको कि अभी हुआ क्या basically. I have a video to do for a brand and उसमें I have given this PMS का full like script के PMS में हमेशा classically Reet and I actually have a fight real time. So होते हैं ना.
सब बताओ उनको, सब बताओ, फिर 10 गालियां और देंगे मुझे.
मेरी वजह से होता है. All 90% of the time I am the problem. What? Getting ready to fight with Reet. I was thinking कि actually थोड़ा सा झगड़ा करके मैं वीडियो ले लूंगी. He understood I'm shooting and he ran away. Do you all realize what kind of opposites Reet and I are? Like, I am a Futeli dhol and I tell you all everything. And Reet is a super private person. Like, you all say कि he's on social media, so that is not a private person. That's not the definition of being private. You can be a social media creator and still be a private person because his social media life is very different to my social media life. I put my life out there. He only puts his travel out there. It's very different things.
5 minutes later.
Thank you, Reet.
I hate you all.
You do not.
Work from home लूंगा ही नहीं.
I hate you all.
I'm ready actually already for the gym, but 30 minutes बचे और मुझे काफी काम बचा है. Task list में जितना कुछ डाला था वो सब कुछ हुआ नहीं है अभी तक. I'm just done with the shoot part of it. That to 50%. I'm still left with the personal stuff I have to do for myself, and I'm left with editing the brand reel जो आज shoot हुई है because आज ही उनको भी submission करना है. So there's quite a bit left to do. Plus I have to give offer letter to 3 new candidates who are joining my team. So January has been heavy on the hiring for us. Yeah, Impulse Coffee. I told you I'm working on quite a lot actually. I'm working on one big secret project, so उसके काम के लिए I will need some more candidates, which is why I'm hiring अभी से ताकि मुझे help मिल जाए. Guys, no joke, as a YouTuber, like core YouTuber, I've never understood what works on Instagram. आज सुबह मैंने ये reel डाली, like सुबह भी नहीं, 1:30 PM I posted this reel. It is 8:20 PM and I'm already at 900k views. Like 9 लाख लोगों ने already देख लिया है जब 9 घंटे भी नहीं हुए हैं डाल के. What is this algorithm and how does it work? Like I really want to know so I can do more of it. Because sometimes I am so sure about a concept and I'm so confident in everything और मैं इतना मेहनत करती हूँ वो concept पे और जब मैं डालती हूँ views ही नहीं आते. And this is like a simple शादी के लिए जा रहा और get ready with me and room में shoot किया शादी के लिए निकलते निकलते edited it in literally 20-25 minutes खुद से ही and डाल दिया. And 1:30 is not my usual posting time also. I post in the evening. Sometimes I can't understand Instagram. But I'm so excited. अगर आज ही 1 million हो गया, which हो जाएगा I think. Like it's already sitting at लोड होने टाइम लग रहा है. स्टूडियो में बहुत गंदा नेटवर्क आता है. 912k views. Can you see? Crazy. Oh my god. This is how Sharon sits for work and this is the backrest. जल्दी आओ रीत, देखो ये.
Sleeping also is very cozy.
बैकरेस्ट शेरन का बहुत ज्यादा महंगा है.
No, I'm giving my space to sit properly.
Fajju, where are you sitting, ma? Where are you sitting? With Sharon? He loves being in squeezed places.
A few inches later.
खाली 2 स्क्वाट और 2 ओवरहेड प्रेस करके मुझे पसीना आता है. दिखावे का पसीना है.
The next day.
हम लोग अभी रेस अगेंस्ट टाइम करते हैं when we are shooting. It is today the 9th of January and we tried shooting 2 reels. आज सुबह से मैं vlog पे काम कर रही थी and I was getting some admin related responsibilities done, so आज shoot शुरू करने थोड़ा लेट हो गया. But 4 to 5:30 is when we get the most beautiful golden hour in this room and we want to optimize that because we've noticed कि जो हम content golden hour में shoot करते हैं that performs better than if we do the full तामझाम with our light and camera and everything. So now it's race against time instead of doing तामझाम. Like it's like 4 to 5:30 we have to finish shooting. But it's great actually. You know, I finish when I'm feeling my most active self. I was sleepy after the lunch I ate, but now I feel good. And अब जब ये 2 reel हो गई है, I have to just upload आज का vlog and Impulse का shoot बचा है. Yes, Impulse का shoot I'll do it with the camera and lights. Then that's not a problem. That's mainly for ad content. मुझे कुछ और भी करना था. Edit मैं ही करूँगी जो आज के 2 reels है. Lip gloss वाला because उसमें voice over करना है. Oh, you know you guys, last night I was telling you all कि मेरा सबसे fast 1 million होगा. By the time I came back from the gym, 1 million हो गया and उसके बाद अभी कितना हो गया? 3.9 million. Can you like 3.9 की 4 हो गया? 3.9 shoot
4.1.
4.1. Will you take a screenshot? Oh my god! Wait, this is my first 4 million on Instagram. मेरी हर एक reel आके 2.7 million पे अटक गई है. Max I've ever reached is 2.9 million on my reels. I have like a lot of 2.9, 2.7 millions on my content, but I never crossed 3. 3 भी नहीं cross किया है. और आज सुबह जब मैं उठी तो 3 हो गया था और अभी 4 हो गया है. You know, when you post a reel, you never know how it will perform. I just edited it so fast and posted. I never thought it would do this well. Mashallah, mashallah, it's doing so well. So I'm so happy and yeah, feeling positive. Last night I didn't get good sleep because I was stressed about a lot of other things related to Impulse. Because new launch, new project, lots of new projects. एक साथ सारा काम हो रहा है. Suddenly I know there's going to be a lot of people in the studio again, like new people and a lot of dynamics that I'll have to deal with. So I'm like mentally preparing myself for all that. But I'm feeling good that जो करते आए वो तो ढंग से हो रहा है. Like this is like अब ऐसा लग रहा है Happy New Year 2025 हमारा first touch mashallah. Launched in August 2024 and easily became our best seller at Impulse Coffees.
The next day.
What you expected?
ढोल बाजा
Why ऐसा तुम क्या कर रही हो ढोल बाजा बजाने?
अब मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो तूने जिंदगी में नहीं की होगी.
हाँ?
At this age.
मैं वो एज तक पहुंची ही नहीं.
हाँ वही. और मैं जिंदा रहूंगी भी नहीं मैं जब.
Please मम्मी ये सब अभी सुबह सुबह melodramatic मत हो जाओ. Guys, I have huge news for y'all. Are you ready?
Who?
My audience.
I am always ready.
What you? Mummy is starting her own cooking Instagram page and today is her first meeting with her team. This is what recruitment Preet and I were doing.
Do I look smashing, dashing?
No, right now you look very worn out and tired and where you went to tuitions and
Multitasking. Hustle with Ma made it.
That's the name of her page. Ma made it. So my mom is an excellent home cook. Like she cooks like जब भी कोई भी उनके हाथ का खाना खाता है, anybody like be it Amit, be it my relatives, my extended family, कोई भी मम्मी के हाथ का खाना खाता है ना, they are just they've always told us since she was like younger कि open a cafe, open a this, open a restaurant, something, and she never wanted to commercialize her cooking skills. But this time, first time she came सामने से and she told Reeta and I that you know what, I'm going to start my cooking YouTube channel in 2025. So that's her 2025 mission, and we were like, chalo, we'll get a team. So Reeta and I were scouting and we got applications. We recruited a team. Taha is going to be shooting her content, and Taha ko jaisi bola, he's already done Mummy Logic before with us, so he's ready to do another Mummy special. And
Ma made it.
Mummy Logic, the only reason that we couldn't like sort of continue. Today you're not shooting, no?
We might, shoot.
Then what have you done? You don't look very like, you look very
Rest.
worn out, yeah.
Worn out because I didn't put any this on my face.
You want me to do your hair
No,
and
no.
makeup and all? How you?
we just do the hand का because it won't go at the onset, but शगुन के हिसाब से आज एक वीडियो शूट ही कर लेते, समझे ऐसा. This is Ma made it, so it's everything done with the whole limbs.
You'll cooperate with the shooting partner.
Yeah, till February.
Why till February?
Till I'm done with the tuitions. That's my major concern actually.
Always this mummy के tuitions की वजह से only Mummy Logic we couldn't do. Mummy
Logic we were doing only on Saturdays, Sarah, if you're aware.
I'm aware.
It's because of your
Mummy
house.
Logic में I couldn't contribute because it was me also और मेरे पास बिल्कुल time नहीं है life में to do another thing is why we couldn't like do another season of Mummy Logic after season 1 it's sort of. But in this it's only Ma made it. I don't have to do anything. So you make.
You have to come for a
Tasting, I'll come for your tastings
and for the intro sometimes, occasionally.
Yeah, of course, I'm here only. So we are basically going to use my house to shoot because my kitchen is very not used. All right, you guys, we had a very productive meeting with the Ma Made It team. That is what we are calling Mummy's Instagram page, Ma Made It. मम्मी हमारे घर में सब लोग ये खाना बनाती है, like different cuisines, so many cuisines in a day. She makes for me keto food, diet food, and for Reeth she makes Assamese food sometimes whenever he's missing home. She makes different food for Fudge, different food for Ishan, different food पप्पा के लिए, अपने लिए. कभी she makes Mangalorean cuisine नानी के साथ अलग. तो she knows it all, mashallah. And even when we go to restaurants and all, and अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगता है, she'll immediately recreate it घर पे. So she's always been that person, and she loves cooking. Like no matter how busy she's been over the years, 25 years से she's more than that, 35 years से mom has been a tuition teacher, and वो इतने थक जाते थे तो we used to always say कि मम्मी cook रख लो, chef रख लो, कोई तो रख लो घर पे. Don't cook because she gets very tired, but she's never wanted to keep anybody to help us घर पे with her food because she loves cooking. It's not something that we've made her do, it's something she loves doing. Like feeding people is her love language, and today she's bringing that love language to social media. So I'm so like, we're all so proud of her because at such an older stage in your life, changing your career streams, like mom is actually putting this out there, and is inshallah we're all waiting and hoping that it works out. Like this is her career stream, like she's changing her career stream, so it's not something she's just doing for fun. So I'm very excited. We're all very proud of her. If you have Instagram, please go follow Ma Made It, and let's encourage mummy to do this because you know it's just really inspiring that at this age she wants to do something new and venture out into something so different than being a tuition teacher, like teaching but cooking, like online, like different, very different. And social media मम्मी को बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता, which is why we decided पहले से only Reeth and I were like we'll have a proper team to guide her, like a proper like mom was like मुझे high production में करना है, मुझे phone shot content नहीं करना है. So I was like okay fine, we'll get a high production team and we'll get a manager to manage the social media because she is not tech savvy, so she won't understand how to post and everything, you know, strategy बनानी मम्मी को समझेगा नहीं. So we needed somebody for social media management. I to get no time at all, and Reeth also gets no time with office and his Instagram page. So yeah, that's why we decided we'll recruit. So now I'm getting ready to shoot because the only thras is I can't make major investments with gear and all abhi se because starting में इतना बड़ा investment already हम human resource पे कर रहे हैं, so we can't invest in new cameras and stuff. So I'm gonna be lending my camera to mummy. So when she's shooting, she's gone home to bring her food ingredients, eat her food, bring her food ingredients and all. I am currently going to be working on my videos so that the camera does not get occupied and like you know हम लोग के time clashes now. So अभी मैं shoot करती हूँ अपना content और फिर बाद में मम्मी can shoot उनका content. I finished shooting my skincare video and this is what the pasara looks like after that, and what a full house we have today. So many people, so many laptops, so much khana, people down here also. मेरा भी खाना लग गया है. So now finally I can eat. What's the time? 4 o'clock. No, 4 o'clock को खाना खाया जा रहा है. But I needed to make the camera free for him to use for mummy. हाँ भाई छोड़, मेरे को कभी खाना तो खा दे. तू खाना खाई अरे खा लेना.
Have food, everyone please have. अरे काम चलते रहेगा जिंदगी में.
घर भरा हो गया एकदम. पॉपुलेशन नीचे वॉचमैन बोलता है क्या करते क्या मालूम है लोग. Faji, so many people know in the house today. So many people. You don't get too used to it, huh? What mama eating? You want kebab?
नहीं देने का. बहुत ज़्यादा नमक है उसमें.
Dada said no. Dada said no. Okay, I am getting dressed. I have a shoot for a brand जो मुझे complete करना है, and I have to be ready for mummy because she will be making a गाजर का हलवा and I'll be doing the taste test because Ma made it, so Ma made it for me, so that's why. वैसे मैं शक्कर नहीं खाती but मम्मी का गाजर का हलवा I will eat. घर में से इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. Like Reeth was so happy. He's like अच्छा है तो इधर खाना बनेगा तो अपन फ्री में खा भी सकते हैं. I was like वैसे भी अपन फ्री में ही खाते हैं, ऐसा मम्मी को हम खाना बनाने का कुछ देते नहीं. But yeah, we're very happy that it's such a nice environment, mashallah, in the house. The only thing is suffering right now is impulse. कुछ भी नया start करने में मस्त excitement होता है. I just hope inshallah it does well. It will do well only. Like mummy is a star in herself. I think her leg fracture really changed her. That made her.
That's why I told you, no, कि everything like happens for a reason, and then you just never know.
True. Like first my mom used to hate social media, okay? Like she hate is the strong word, but that is how she felt. Like she was like never take me in vlogs, मेरे को वीडियो में मत डाल, मेरे को ऐसा मत कर. That's why for the longest time I only did beauty content. Then lockdown में we used to all be घर में एक साथ, तो then वो लोग naturally मेरे videos में आने लगे. Then मेरा 100K हो गया, फिर Ishan was born. Like slowly and steadily everybody became. Papa was never that rigid. Papa is very chill. Mummy was always. Then तो after doing mummy logic तो she was like अब मैं तो कर, like she's very confident, मैं तो कर लूँगी, like.
Yeah, right now when she instructing था like कल आ जाना टाइम पे, कल सेटअप कर लेना.
Yeah. She's very. She saw Sakshi and me do mummy logic के टाइम में. Oh, Sakshi is coming guys today. आज मैं भूल गई vlog में बताना. इतनी busy और इतनी सही चीजें चल रही है. आज साक्षी और दीक्षिता डिनर पे आ रहे. I had told them घर बन जाएगा, उसके बाद I will give a nice house warming and everybody will come together and all. घर बनने का कलेशी जिंदगी के खत्म नहीं हो रहे थे to give anybody house warming. So this week actually 2 house warmings are happening on Saturday. That is literally tomorrow. My dad's side family is coming, which I don't put them in vlogs a lot because they're really old, they're not that comfortable, but they are coming for dinner tomorrow. And आज रात को साक्षी, दीक्षी and Amit has come back from his पहाड़ वाला trip, तो वो भी आ रहे हैं. वो अभी जल्दी आने वाले थे पर उसको माइग्रेन हो रहा है तो थोड़ा देर से आएगा. तो रीत भी बहुत खुश है क्योंकि अमित आ रहा है ना, उसका पहला प्यार. और मेरी रील को 6 मिलियन हो गए हैं. Oh my god. Can't believe that reel has 6 million. मतलब ऐसा क्या है वो reel में? I'll have to dissect and analyze and keep doing more of it.
And I have to go home and do now that.
I have
Tomorrow
not-
meeting है.
I have not posted a single content after that because now I don't think anything is good enough to match that 6 million.
Everything is good.
वो रील में I'm attending my brother's वलीमा and that has 6 million and मैंने attended his engagement, वो रील को भी 2.9 million लगा था. उसको बोल रही हूँ कि उसकी शादी मेरे लिए बहुत लकी है. मैं सब फंक्शन अटेंड नहीं की, मुझे निकाह में भी जाना चाहिए था और सारे फंक्शन का एक गेट रेडी में भी बनाना चाहिए था. तो अभी तो जिसकी शादी आएगी ना मैं सब अटेंड करूँगी. शादी वाला कंटेंट परफॉर्म्स रियली. प्रोफेशनल शादी अटेंडर बन जाऊंगी मैं. लोग पैसा देंगे मेरे को शादी में. Look at the makeup I've done. Makeup and hair. बैठ गए सब लोग तमाशा देखने के लिए. मम्मी ऑन कैमरा.
ऑडियंस है इधर.
अच्छा अपना किचन तो वसूल हो रहा है.
यहाँ से कुछ आ नहीं रहा है ना, प्लेटफॉर्म क्लीन लग रहा है ना. सत्यम को तो कॉल कर.
सत्यम नहीं, कोई नहीं है भाई. नो सत्यम नो छोटू, सब छोड़ के गए तुमको.
ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, बिल्कुल नहीं. क्या बोलूं? हाय फ्रेंड्स. बस
कौन से फ्रेंड्स, किधर से फ्रेंड्स?
जो आपको बोलने का बोलो अपने मन में.
क्या बोलूं?
You do your thing.
सहेलियों.
नो.
फिर बहुत ही जेंडर सेंट्रिक हो रहा है.
हाँ, you can't
Gender
just
inclusive होना है अपने को.
सहेली नहीं बुला सकते.
And
This-
we're all set to go.
We'll start.
हाँ.
This is गाजर का हलवा, the winter special.
Yeah.
Carrot, cashew nuts.
मम्मी हिंदी हिंदी.
अच्छा गाजर.
नहीं यार हिंदी. काजू. यस. गाजर के बाद ब्लैंक हो गई.
गाजर, काजू, चीनी और घी और क्या, इलायची पाउडर एंड दूध.
ऑलरेडी वाटर ब्रेक ले लिया है आर्टिस्ट ने. आर्टिस्ट बहुत नाटकी है.
One eternity later.
You're looking very pretty.
Thank you guys. Dream collab for birthday month. Couldn't have started any better. Tanishq Diamonds into Sara. This is so beautiful. I couldn't have asked for a better birthday gift, birthday dream collab. Like, look at these the entire set they've sent me. The pen, the whole choker with this earring. This is one set, and I didn't know that they were also going to send rings and this new bangle. Mashallah, mashallah, looks so pretty. I love diamonds. You all know, anybody who knows me since a while knows I love diamonds. Like, this is as big as big gets for me. I'm so stressed while shooting this. Ke perfect hona chahiye. Like, when I started, I was damn chill, but once I started wearing it, I was like, perfection, perfection, only perfection.
Tanishq, if you want a model for the next campaign, here it is.
Should do a billboard shoot with Tanishq. That's the dream. Oof, वो what a long day it has been. Ma made it ka first shoot successfully completed, mashallah. There were so many people in the studio today. Everybody is now gone and it's just me and Sharon and both of us are really tired. हमारा एक YouTube video भी shoot हो गया and ये brand collab भी हो गया. Mashallah, all looks good. Everything looks good. अभी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा edits करने हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा edits करने हैं. After that 6 million reel, I have not posted any other reel, so I need to post. I need to remove this jewelry which will break my heart and change into night suit and just fast get into edit mode because so much to edit. Before Sakshi and Dikshita come, I need to finish my day, wrap up. The house doesn't look clean, but I really have more work and cleanliness cannot be a priority today. Damn, it's been such a hectic day, you guys. I can't feel my eyes. They are hurting so badly. इतने like जबरदस्त वाला पेन हो रहा है मुझे बहुत तेज भूख भी लगी थी. I think I just ordered some food from Good Flippin' Burgers for everyone. Once Sakshi and Dikshi come, I've ordered burgers also for them and Amit and Reet and I also ate some Atomic Tenders. We love Good Flippin', by the way, in this household. Reet and my favorite is Good Flippin' Burgers. We order so much from there. They are peri peri hot wedges. They are Atomic Tenders. And the best thing about Good Flippin' is it doesn't feel like junk food. It feels freshly made. So it's really nice burgers. Puppy Boss is here. Yeah, Puppy Boss is here. जाओ जाओ तुम्हारा यार
Puppy Boss कैसे हो?
दरवाजे से ही शुरू हो गया.
Puppy Boss, how are you? Puppy Boss बाहर चढ़ा. Puppy Boss secret. Puppy Boss. Puppy Boss secret. Puppy Boss. Happy New Year. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. देखो फज भी आया है. अरे तो कहाँ से लिपस्टिक देखो 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 लड़का बड़ा लिपस्टिक लगा के आ रहा है.
क्या लिपस्टिक के निशान लगा के आ रहा है तू?
लिपस्टिक ही है.
सोच ले अमित, सोच ले. मेरे को कौन मिलेगा? मेरे को भी कितने टाइम बाद से पपी बॉस मैं पहले आई थी.
Puppy Boss.
है तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
क्या
ऐसे तो रीत भी नहीं मिलता है.
हम आगे आए थे ना.
Puppy Boss.
मेरी पीठ बहुत दुख रही है ब्रो.
मैंने ये उठाया नहीं था, लास्ट में इसने बोला मुझे पसंद है.
Nolan Guresh Sandesh.
और हमने वही उठाता उसके लिए.
This is very. This is the only Sandesh that I have.
You bought Nolan Gurel रसगुल्ला? अरे
आंटी का कंटेंट बाबा. Nolan Guresh रसगुल्ला. Taste.
हाँ टेस्ट वी कैन डू. फ्रिज में रख बाबा और फ्रिज का दरवाजा बराबर बंद करना.
Puppy Boss.
मजा आया.
बहुत try.
आज बहुत शुगर हो रहा है गाजर हलवा.
मैं
शुगर नहीं है इसमें. Try.
से शुगर ही तेल के आया हूँ.
तू तो चल के पतला हो क्या है. पहले पहाड़ चढ़ो फिर बंगाली स्वीट्स खाओ. वेरी टेस्टी. इट वाज सो गुड. राज नहीं आया? राज का घर आया कि नहीं?
रात को आया.
पहुंचा नहीं ना.
ये टेस्ट कर.
कलाकार है ना ये.
कलाकत बनने का जो मटेरियल है वो है गुड़ वाला.
ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं होता ना. That's what I love.
स्वीट कभी
Like,
ज़्यादा में नहीं मीठा होता.
It doesn't directly hit you with only sweetness like how jalebi is. I love
ये टेस्ट
jalebi.
कर. ये टेस्ट कर. ये कलाकत बनने से पहले जो होता है गुड़ वाला.
Very nice. तू खोले जा रहा है, डब्बे खोले जा रहा है.
पूरा खाना है?
सब फ्रिज में रख.
पूरा खाना है? थोड़ा सा.
वो मैं बर्गर खाने वाली हूँ.
अमित शाह बाबू. चल गिव मी शेक.
तू आया तो मुंबई में रौनक आई. हम तो ऐसे बोर हो रहे थे तेरे बिना.
रीत नॉलेज गुड.
ये
ये तो एक बार में. ये तो अपना रिचुअल है. ये बड़ा भी है. ला पपी बॉस.
Puppy Boss मुंह मीठा कर रहा हूँ.
इसमें मेरा अंकल आंटी का जो है मतलब इतना दिन बाद खाना है शुगर तो ऐसे खाओ. नहीं तो मत खाओ.
मत खाओ ब्रो, मत खाओ. जो आंखने आने वाला है. रसगुल्ला तो कुछ और ही था ब्रो.
सर्दी में ये बेस्ट अपना बंगाल का.
टू गुड. पहले साक्षी और दीक्षी ने घर सिर्फ खाली देखे हैं. उन लोग बनने के बाद आए
बनने
नहीं.
के बाद नहीं देखा ना.
बनने के बाद नहीं आए उन लोग. आपकी सारा ने तनिष्क के लिए शूट किया है.
मैंने क्यों नहीं किया.
उन लोगों को फोन शॉट चाहिए था.
हाँ, तो ठीक है कैमरा अपने लिए कर लेंगे हम.
मस्त है ना जानू फोटो.
बहुत सुंदर. इसके बैनर्स
आपका आवाज
लगा
नहीं
के
आया
छपवा
है
देते हैं तनिष्क. बोलो उनको.
तुम्हारे मुंह में नोलन गुरेल रसगुल्ला रसगुल्ला.
मुंबई में अपना नाम होएगा. सारा नगर सारा
सारा नगर सी what dad is saying for you सारा नगर
ना नगर सर्किटाबाद सर्किटापुर सारापुर मुन्नापुर का बॉम्बे में अपना नाम होगा।
अरे 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 बेचैन आत्मा आ गए। हाँ हाँ जला दो, अभी घर जला दो मेरा।
फज बेचा इसको मैं देखा ही नहीं।
आज ही आना था तुम लोग को।
हम लोग ना ट्रैफिक 1 घंटे से ट्रैफिक में हैं।
प्लीज प्लीज
Fuck, I didn't figure this out पहले. I was like, क्या your teacher?
बैठो बैठो, हम बहुत ही थक गए आज।
आर वाली वो कौन सी वाली बिल्डिंग है?
कौन सी वाली?
जो अपन खरीदने वाले थे वो प्लान।
और रुनवाल वो इधर से दिखती है। हाँ ये है ना, सॉरी ये
उसमें आई थी।
नहीं तू रुनवाल में नहीं आई थी, ये मेरे साथ एक भाड़े का घर देखने चली थी।
वो तो वो वाली
वो
बिल्डिंग-
पार्क ही थी।
वो बन ही रहा था।
नहीं that is this one only which we went in ahead ना. This is from the bedroom we can see it. अच्छा see from the studio का this is the bed. We don't open this window. कैसा लग रहा है? Hotel. This is my favorite background to shoot in. I've written something over there that I can't put on the vlog. ठीक है, इधर का view और studio का same है. जा ना जा. क्या? Walk in.
वाली जो वाइब है ना,
रुक लाइट ऑन कर
ऐसे ही है ना। This is so pretty. This is also my dream.
This I had shown you on Pinterest. I want to do it like this
अरे
only.
मैं आई थी
जब बन रहा
ये हुआ था बेस लेवल, तब मैं थी यहाँ पर।
जब स्टार्टिंग काम शुरू किए थे।
अपन फिर आपने बोला था कि नहीं ये बाथरूम को फुल तोड़ना है अपन को।
अच्छा तभी वो दे मेरे को तो पूरा 2024 1 ब्लर ही लग रहा है।
दीक्षी बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द हाउस बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द हाउस।
ये तो खाने में लग गई।
बेस्ट पार्ट
आज हम टूर दे
एवरी गर्ल्स ड्रीम। वो एवरी गर्ल्स ड्रीम है
Bro.
I built it also last year. Mummy had put it in her house. The mummy logic.
वहीं पर है।
She put it in her house, but then when this arches were made, she said, "This looks very good, na." Like, तीनों play button.
Pinterest site, yeah, काफी। अरे ब्रो देख। किसने? We had planned to give you that full wall वाला।
Oh.
It was costing around 80,000. हमने वो बाहर से मंगाने का सोचा।
हाँ? Amazon में मैंने ये 1800 का
ये
मंगाई।
तो स्मॉलर वॉल, फुल वॉल।
Oh.
मतलब 2 टिकट्स का बिगर वर्जन।
हाँ, but इसी का big version I saw for this wall, but then I thought it would be too overpowering for the whole house.
फुल वॉल पे लाइक।
हाँ, आइए।
Get ready with me.
This is where the magic happens. This is the only light I use for the get ready with me.
This is the only light in the
For that get ready with me जो दिखता है। मेरा अभी वाला get ready with me देखिए कितना वायरल हो गया।
सुन मैं बता दूं
बता भाई।
अभी मैं ट्रैकिंग गया था ना।
हाँ।
मैं कलकत्ता से एनजीपी आधा रास्ते में जनरल पे ही गया क्योंकि मेरा टिकट कंफर्म नहीं था।
हाँ।
आधे से बाद मैंने स्लीपर पे चढ़ा हूं। मुझे आइडिया है जनरल का।
वो अरे बॉम्बे से जो जनरल जाती है
भीड़ होते हैं।
कलकत्ता इससे पूछ इससे
देखो बेचारा।
ये कैसे जाते हैं
आदमी जाता है
बाथरूम
मेरा प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व है।
सत्यम वीडियो दिखा इसको जो तो मेरे को दिखा
एक काम करते हैं।
अभी
ट्रेन पे जाने वाला।
ये इसको मजाक लग रहा है यार कि जनरल में
जो ट्रेन पे हम जाने वाले एक दिन रात को बैठने जाके देखते उसमें कितना भीड़ होता है।
What? ये क्या?
मेरा दिमाग खराब है।
This is what research and development for this one trip. They are going for a Coldplay concert.
मुझे बस में एक ही सीन है। वॉशरूम का भाई।
बॉम्बे में जनरल डब्बे में जो भीड़ चढ़ती है कहीं पे भी जा तू बॉम्बे से जो भीड़ चढ़ती
पे
है
चढ़ जाए किसी से बात कर।
एक हफ्ता सारा लोकल ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर, फिर देख।
हाँ भाई मैं
अरे भाई मैं लोकल पे ट्रैवल किया हूँ।
कब कौन से टाइम पे किया बता कौन से
मैं खारघर से अंदर नहीं आता था। मैं दादर से चढ़ा हूँ उधर का ट्रेन भाई।
टाइम
ये लोग को कोल्डप्ले कॉन्सर्ट जाना है अहमदाबाद में और ये डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे ट्रेन लेके बस ले एंड गर्ल्स वांट टू टेक द बस एंड बॉयज मतलब रीत और मैं तो नहीं जा रहे, बट अमित वांट्स टू टेक द ट्रेन.
बदलापुर इज हार्बर लाइन मेरी जान.
कहाँ से कहाँ था?
ये बॉम्बे का हाल है. ये तो रुको
बॉम्बे से कहाँ था?
ये है जनरल डब्बे का हाल.
बॉम्बे टू बिहार सत्यम.
अहमदाबाद नहीं है, इतना नहीं है.
अबे तो
This is सत्यम.
रिगार्डलेस ये है जनरल डब्बे का हाल.
नहीं, मुझे पता है.
नहीं
सत्यम छत के ऊपर बैठ के आया है, तू सोच.
नहीं, बॉम्बे से कलकत्ता बिहार यूपी का होते हैं भीड़.
वेरी गुड सत्यम, वेरी गुड. ये व्लॉगिंग स्किल्स मुझे अच्छे लगे.
जो मिल रहा है भाई.
तेको बस मिल रही है. आई थॉट तेको बस भी नहीं मिलेगी एड़े.
ए, सोनू भैया को कॉल करो.
सोनू ड्रीमलाइन बुक कर. तू इतना बात करेगी उतने में कोई और ड्रीम देख के बुक कर देगा. ये आइडिया सिर्फ रीत को नहीं आया है, ये आइडिया दूसरे लोगों को भी आ रहा है जो तुम्हारे साथ कोई.
हाँ, तुझे भी आया था, ठीक है. बट ये सोनू नहीं दिखा था मुझे.
सोनू नहीं दिखा.
नहीं उसको सुसु की याद आ गई होगी ना, तो देन कैंसिल.
वो जब प्रेशर आता है साले रुकते नहीं है.
अबे तेरे प्रेशर की ऐसी की तैसी. तू रुका देना यार बस.
नहीं रुकते भाई. मैं एक बार ऐसे भी किया, मैं इधर ही कर दूंगा.
डाइपर
बस के लिए डाइपर.
जाना है कि नहीं? सिगरेट साफ्टनेस सेक्स और कोल्डप्ले दोनों देखना है कि नहीं?
डायपर भी पहन लूं.
पहनना पड़ेगा बोल.
मैं सो जाऊंगा. मैं नींद का गोली लेके सो जाऊंगा. उठना ही नहीं. कल ही उठूंगा सीधा.
रूम से फिर बाद में बोलती है तुमसे झगड़ा करने वाला दिमाग और शेरिन और ये दोनों पकड़ के रही झगड़ो तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया. झगड़ो बिना बात.
अरे नहीं, मेरे को ब्रांड के रील के लिए एक शॉट चाहिए था कि बॉयफ्रेंड से झगड़ा होता है. तो इसलिए
ताकि उसकी जो सारा स्क्वाड है आके बोले सारा को इतना हैरान करके मैंने तो पहले ही बोला था ये लड़का ऐसा है, ये लड़का सारा डिजर्व्स बेटर.
मेरा इतना मस्त प्लान था. शेरिन बोली ब्रांड का शूट करना है, तो मैं पूरा ए रोल वगैरह सब शूट करके रेडी थी. मैं बोली अभी सिर्फ ये एक ही शॉट बचा है. मैं बोली वो लेटा है, तो मैं जाके चुपके से टीवी पे लगा दी फोन, और मैं जाके बिस्तर पे उसके बाजू में बैठी. तो मैं सोची उसको इंस्टिगेट करूंगी तो वो नेचुरली झगड़ेगा.
झगड़ेगा ही क्यों? कुछ हुआ जब नहीं.
मैं इंस्टिगेट करूंगी ना.
अब समझ में आ रहा है तुझे.
जैसे मैं रिकॉर्डिंग में कैमरा रख के बिस्तर में बैठी वो भाग.
हर गली में, हर शहर, हर मोहल्ले में
मैं सोच ही रहा हूँ कोई ऐसे फोन
बेकार का.
हुआ ही कुछ.
I will show you the video.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, सब लोग चले गए. रात के बज रहे हैं 1:10 and I am very zopish right now. I need to sleep. Gosh, Friday night very well spent. It was so nice spending time with Sakshi and Dikshi. I met them at a couple of events. यहाँ हम मिलते तो ज़रूर रहते हैं because we are all in the same industry, but you don't get to spend time at events. But it's nice. I love having people over and just like गप्पे लड़ाने, and I did a lot of that this week. So even though it was such a hectic week work-wise, balancing so many things, I loved that I met Gopali and Janvi this week and इतने सारे गप्पे लड़ाए उनके साथ, and I met Sakshi and Dikshi and इतने सारे गप्पे लड़ाए. Plus these are like old people, so इतनी सारी memories निकलती है, plus new things to talk, and it's really nice. Like I'm not that much of a going out person anymore. I just want everyone to come home and सब like घर पे बैठ के गप्पे लड़ाए. And that's I think one thing hugely to be grateful for in 2025 is the fact that mashallah now we have our own stable home कि हम सबको घर पे बुला सकते हैं. Like Dikshi तो I didn't even realize that Dikshi had not even come to this house. Sakshi had come when the house was empty, but Dikshi had not seen this house at all. They were there when I was hunting for the third rental, वो वाला जो अच्छा वाला rental था. जब वो गया उसके बाद वाला rental when I was hunting, that time Sakshi and Dikshi used to come around with me. So damn, like time has gone so fast now. Like I'm meeting them also after 1 year. Doesn't feel like it, but it has happened. So it's crazy. My head is paining. अभी आज actually बहुत screen time हो गया तो वैसे भी सर दुख ही रहा था. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep and I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. It was super wholesome. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. 4 days your Sasko shout goes to Nidhi Donkar. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video's Saras Squad shout out. You know what you have to do. You have to hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad. आप लोग ये नहीं करते हो फिर बोलते हो shout out नहीं मिला. Sara Squad कौन comment करेगा? वो करो और फिर आपको comment मिलेगा because I search the keyword Sara Squad and जितने comment आते हैं उसमें से वो नहीं आएगी वो shout out. तो guys Sara Squad comment करो and spelling भी बराबर लिखना मेरी, ठीक है? I will see you in the next one. Bye, good night, love you.